It's got to be, you're basically just going to line it up. You know what, I'm going to need washers for this one, so I'll put the both sides for that. 1, 2. And that's really all there is to it. Again, because there's different sizes, you may have to try different screws to see which fits best. And some of them are short. You got to keep in mind that because it's a flat screen TV, you want to use a shorter one if you can. If it doesn't fit or it doesn't grab very well, you can use the long ones, but you know, of course, you're going to have a bit sticking out, and you're going to be using spacers to secure it. And essentially, that's how it sits on the back of the TV. And this hook goes onto the TV mount. And that's basically all there is to hang in the TV. So you've got the wall portion, you've got the wall, you know it's secure. You put this on the back of the TV. Once you make these tight, this hook literally sits on the mount. And that's all you got to do. Does anybody have any questions about hanging the TV on the wall, or?
I have a question about with the advent of video game systems such as the Xbox. A lot of people are using the Kinect sensors, which help map the room so that you can get the optimum playing experience. Can you maybe summarize how one would go about installing the sensor and making sure that it would be?
You know what, the Kinect sensors and the Wii sensors, it's not really tied to where your TV is. A lot of times, the only thing you worry about when you're mounting your TV is the speaker. When it comes to a Wii or a Kinetic sensor, usually you want to try and center it as much as you can to the TV. That's all you're worried about. So the height is not as important as it is in knowing that the kinetic sensor should be here, and then it scans the room that way.
Right.
So for aesthetics, if you put it to the left, it's not going to scan properly. So when you're playing Xbox, things will be really weird. You always want to at least try and put it centered towards the TV, but the height is not really a concern. And then let it scan, and that's it.
Good advice.
It also depends on the size of your TV. The larger the TV, obviously the larger room you're going to need to play in. But that's really about that.
Great.
Does anybody else have any other questions, or no? Okay. Well, thanks for coming out.
Great presentation. Yeah.
Thank you. If you have an opportunity, fill out a ballot. See if you can win a prize pack from Coachco or from Homestars. And I'm around for the next few hours if anybody has any specific questions about their home. All right.
Very good.
Great.
All right. Bravo.